During the G20 summit in New Delhi, India signed a pact to develop India-Middle East Economic Corridor. This corridor forms the part of Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. PGII is a value-driven, high-impact and transparent infrastructure partnership to meet the enormous infrastructure needs of low and middle-income countries. PGII was formed in 2021 by the group of G7 countries. Now we will see what is this project. Under the proposed corridor, it will consist of railroad, ship-to-rail network and road transport routes extending across two corridors. These two corridors are Eastern Corridor, which will connect India to Arabian Gulf, and Northern Corridor, which will connect to the Gulf of Europe. The corridor will also include electricity cable, a hydrogen pipeline and a high-speed data cable. There are total 8 signatories under this corridor. They are India, the United States, Saudi Arabia, UAE, the European Union, Italy, France and Germany. The ports connected will be Mundra Port in Gujarat, Kandla Port in Gujarat and Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Navi Mumbai. If we look at the route, then from Jawaharlal Nehru Port or Kandla and Mundra Port till Jebel Ali, it will be a sea route. Then from Jebel Ali till Haifa in Israel, it will be a rail route. And from Haifa to Piraeus in Greece, it will again be a sea route. If we talk about the objective of this corridor, then this aim to create a comprehensive transportation network comprising of rail, road and sea route connecting India, Middle East and Europe. It will be beneficial for India as India is in talks to sign a free trade agreement with Europe and Britain. Additionally, it aims to enhance transportation efficiency, reduce costs, increase economic unity, generate employment and lower the greenhouse gas emissions. It is expected to transform the integration of Asia, Europe and the Middle East by facilitating trade and connectivity. The significance of project will be it will provide a reliable and cost-effective cross-border ship-to-rail transit network to supplement existing maritime and road transports.